I'm that nigga from Trabass TV.
Yeah. No, your neighborhood nice, yo. That house that look sexy.
Whoa.
What?
You gotta work harder to get upstairs.
What? You want me just meet a 5G and care go Popeyes? You know much things that?
But you didn't even buy me no chicken. You already bought me half a fries.
So if me buy half a fries and money
That's $2.
Come no more people, I'm gonna do this up.
Keep right this up.
I really can't hear all my people. Go upstairs, man. Me I beg you. Please. I know you want to do it, you know. I can see looking at your eye, you know.
It would be nice. I'm telling you. But no.
From last week, Tuesday, I not get no. From August, I get some good stuff, you know. And like, you look proper, so come go do it, you know.
This is our first date, though.
So what if our first date? Like, that don't mean nothing.
I'm not that type of girl.
I'm not that kind of boy. But we can make something happen. Look, me have feelings here. A long time I love you, you know. Even though I to them.
Love?
Yeah, me love you. Well, I that you want to hear, right?
Are you?
I that you want to hear?
Are you crazy?
No, go easy, man. I chill. Me just tell you where you want to feel if you get the pussy with this.
This is our first date, though. I really want to get to know you. You seem so sweet.
You know me, you follow me on Instagram. Come on, just. Please. Me I beg you. Come on.
Look get all wet and everything. And I know you would like this too. I had something special for you.
Oh, stop. Yo, look at me, yeah? Me a call, yeah? Me wait. Okay? Alright. Huh?
Call me, okay?
Alright. Oh, shit.
You alone,